Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the difference between close and quit method in Selenium. Most of the interviewer will ask these questions in interview. Okay, so let me give one by one example how to give this answer in interview. The difference between close and quit method in Selenium. So let me go to the Eclipse. So I have already created one sample project Selenium. Inside that I have created some packages. Okay, so inside this test package I'll create a new class, and after that I'll start writing the code. So just click on test package, right click on that, new, click on class. Okay, give some name. So I'm giving quit and close, and click on finish. So my class is already created under test package. Okay, so in my previous tutorial I have already launched the website, I have maximized it. So that code I'll take from my previous tutorial. So I'm using Firefox browser for executing my automated test cases. So for that I'm giving Gecko driver name and path I'm mentioning here. So you can take this path from your project directory also. Right now I'm doing hard coding. After that I'm initializing the WebDriver, and after that I'm launching the website. So here I'm giving different website now. So this is my website I'll use. Okay, after that I'm printing this statement that website is launched successfully. After that I'm maximizing the window, again the printing the statement. Okay, after that what I'll do, if we go to this website, okay, so this website I'll use. So in this website what I'll do, I'll click on this particular link. So whenever you will click on this link, it will open in another tab. Okay, so I'll just go to this particular link, and if you hover on that particular link and if you click on inspect queue, okay, so it will give me the XPath of that particular link. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just click on this spy tool, I'll just hover on this link and click on this, so it will be highlighting here in the down. So this is the XPath for that particular link. So in the meantime what I'll do, I'll just copy the XPath from here, just click on copy. If you click on XPath, so it will give me the complete path. Okay, and paste it here. So I've already pasted here. So this is the path I'll use. Okay, so go to my Eclipse, just type it driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, inside that I'll just paste that XPath for that link. So this is my XPath for that link. Copy it here and paste it here. What I have to do, this is my action, I have to do click. right? And after that I have to wait for some time. Suppose I'm giving thread dot sleep thread dot sleep 5 seconds I'm giving now. Okay, and after loading this demo site I'll give some page load wait time. So driver dot manage dot timeouts dot page load timeout. I'm giving 10 second here, and unit I'm giving second. Okay, so after launching I'm just waiting for page load time, because sometimes website is very slow, so that is why I'm giving 10-second wait time here. After that I'm printing the statement, then I'm maximizing the window, again I'm printing here. After that I'm clicking on that particular link, and here it is giving some error. Just we have to hover on that and just add throws declaration. Okay, so it will resolve our problem. So it will maximize. After that it will click on that link, and after that I'll use driver dot close method. So first it will launch, maximize, then after that it will click on another link, then another tab will open, and after that I'll try to close. So what will happen in that time if I'll use close method? Okay, so guys, if we'll use close method here, that time Selenium WebDriver will close only the second tab. That means Selenium WebDriver will close the current browser window, not the entire browser window it will close. Okay, but if we'll use quit method here, so it will close all the browser window. So that is the basic difference between close and quit method. So just I'll run the script and we'll check whether it is working fine or not. Just right click on run as Java application. Before that I'll just close the browser now. Okay, now I'll check it here. Run as Java application. Okay, it is launching the browser now. Sorry, it is launching the website. After that it will click on that particular link. Okay, the second tab is opened. Look guys, whenever I use close method, that time it will close only the second tab, not the first tab. That means Selenium WebDriver is now in second tab. That means it is controlling the second tab. So that is why it is closing only the second tab now, not the first one. But if I use quit method, it will close all the browser window. That means it will close both the tabs. So this is the difference. So let me check how it is working. I'm just closing the browser now. Now instead of close I'll use quit method. Okay, and let me run once again. So this time it should close both the tabs. Correct? So if I'll use quit method, it Selenium WebDriver will close all the browser window. But if we use close method, that time Selenium WebDriver will close only the current browser window. So that is why in this example we saw only the second tab it is closed. First tab it was as it is if I'll use close method. But whenever I'm using quit method, it will close both the tabs. So this is the difference. So this difference we have to tell in front of interviewer. So that is all from my side today, guys. Thank you for watching my video.